Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Cook with Katrina, My Plant Life, where I cook and bake anything and everything vegan. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking honey roasted potatoes with virgin coconut oil. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. The equipment and ingredients you're going to need for today's video is an Instant Pot. I've got my 8 quarts Instant Pot, and I'll be using that to steam the russet potatoes before we bake them in the oven. You're also going to need a pestle and mortar, and that's for your rosemary, for your herbs. You're going to need salt, cayenne pepper, so your 5 russet potatoes. I've got some honey which I'll be drizzling over them midway through cooking. You're going to cook them in virgin coconut oil, so that's key to this vegan roasted potato recipe. I've also got to peel and chop the potatoes, so I've got my equipment here, my peeler and my knife, chopping board as well, and your baking dish and spatula to turn your potatoes partway through cooking. I've peeled my 5 russet potatoes, and now I'm going to move on to chopping them into large cubes. So come on over and I'll show you how to do that. So I finished chopping my potatoes, and I'm going to pop them in the Instant Pot now, and we're going to set it to steam for 7 minutes. So I'll just show you how to do that. Pop your chopped potatoes into the Instant Pot on top of your tripod. Add a pint of water. Okay, pop the lid on securely. We want to make sure that the valve is up. So again, if I press that down, the valve is down. Flick it up, valve is up. Okay, so we want to set our Instant Pot to steam. Here is steam on the right hand side. I'll just press that. Currently it's on 12, so I'll take it down to 7. And that's it. So it will steam for 7 minutes. When it's done, it will beep, and then I'm going to let it rest for 2 minutes. Whilst I'm waiting for the potatoes to steam cook in the Instant Pot, I'm going to get the oven going. Now allow a 2-minute natural pressure release. Now you want to release the rest of the pressure. Okay, we've released all the remaining pressure, and now I'm just going to open the lid very carefully. Perfect. Now is the time to add our cold pressed coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, to our baking tray. So this is about 4 dessert spoons to start with. So let's pop it in the oven. Our coconut oil has been warming up for 2 to 3 minutes in the oven. It's super hot, so please do be careful because it's very runny like water. So make sure you use your oven gloves, and you're very careful when you place it down as well. Don't want you to get burned. So now that all of our parboiled or past-steamed potatoes are in the hot oil, I'm just going to move them around a little bit so each potato gets coated in the hot coconut oil. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. I've taken the potatoes out of the oven just to have a look at them, give them a turn, and then I'll pop them back in the oven again. The 20 minutes has gone by. Checking the potatoes and stirring again. As you can see, they've started to go a bit more golden now. At this stage, if you find that you maybe didn't put enough oil and the potatoes have sort of absorbed quite a lot, you can add more oil if you wish. Okay guys, so we're almost at the end. I've taken the potatoes out of the oven, so come and have a look and see what they look like. So they're crispy, golden, they smell super delicious. And now is actually the stage where we add our honey and our rosemary. I've actually turned the oven off, so it's still warm. Once I finish drizzling the honey over the potatoes, I'm going to pop them back in the oven just for 5 minutes to let the honey melt into the potatoes with the oven off. Got some dried rosemary here, as you can see, and I'm going to grind it into a powder in my pestle and mortar. If you've got like maybe a coffee grinder, you can do it in that. It's super easy, but today I'm just going to use my pestle and mortar. Pinch of salt. Pinch of cayenne. Guys, the smell of these potatoes with the rosemary, the coconut oil, cayenne pepper and the honey, absolutely divine. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure showing you how to make these amazing honey roast potatoes. This is like my go-to recipe. If I know someone's coming over for dinner, I'll make these because I know everybody loves them. I enjoy them so much, my husband loves them, and they go with absolutely anything. So if you want to make like your vegan sausages, or you've got like a vegan roast, a vegan burger, even just like a salad, tempeh, a little bit of tofu on the side, it just goes with everything. Let me know your thoughts, please give it a go. I'd love to know what you think. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and for more foodie content from me, please subscribe to my channel. It would be amazing if you did. And I look forward to doing something special in the next video, and a big announcement. Yay! Bye guys! You caught me eating some potatoes. Just using my fingers because it's just me today.